All right, here is what's for dinner tonight. This is a chuck roast recipe that we found and some root vegetables that I just cooked with avocado oil and some Italian seasoning. And I gotta tell you, the beef for being chuck roast is super tender and has tons of flavor. So here is how you make it. All right, remember I told you we played a game called Beef Roulette? That is exactly what this is. I found a chuck roast in our freezer, found a recipe on how to make it. Here is the recipe. I will leave the exact recipe in the description so you don't have to search for it, but it is a 3-pound, this is a grass-fed chuck roast. And then, I'm not sure my camera's working. Oh, it is recording. All right, remember when I told you that we play this game called Beef Roulette? That's exactly what this is. I went to our freezer. We have a grass-fed cow that we bought that's in the freezer. This is a chuck roast, and I've never really cooked with chuck roast, so I found a recipe that needed absolutely no modification. It was beautiful the way that it was. I will leave the recipe, the ingredients exactly in the description, so you don't have to go searching for it. But it's about a 3-pound roast. We're going to put it, there's about a half of an onion, plus some garlic, plus bone broth, salt and pepper, paprika, and curry paste, which I'm real interested to see how that turns out. And we're going to slow cook it. Okay? This one's going to take about 5 hours to cook, and then we're going to pair it with some potatoes and carrots that we're just going to throw together. So comments, in the description, like I said, is the exact recipe, and we'll let you know how it turns out.